welcome to another weekly vlog. I don't know, I think this week we are going to have a chilled week. I know that later we want to go to these home showrooms. They're called house showrooms, or they're just called showrooms. Home showrooms, I don't know, but we want to go see one of those and just, see if anything inspires us to zhuzh up our home here. But yeah, and also just trying to see what to do with like the small spaces, like small rooms in the house. So we are going to do that, but before we do that, my delivery from Shein has arrived. So, and we also have a, what do you call it, a yoga mat. Javi got me a new yoga mat, and I'm about to meet you guys. It's actually right here. Oh, we might as well start the unboxing, right? This is my yoga mat. It's from the brand Venom. So I never really thought brands matter that much, but I think I am slowly falling in love with the Venom brand, especially for like exercise and gym wear and all that stuff. I am not mad at it. The quality is always like top notch. I kid you not. Like, I'm just obsessed because it's Venom and it is pink, okay? Like, and it's so thick, guys. Like, look how thick this mat is. Excuse me. Excuse me. It feels so smooth. Like the one that I got myself back in AC, it was not this soft. It was not this soft. It was not like this cushiony. Like, you know those bathroom rugs? Are they rugs or mats? But those ones, when like you step, you feel like you're going inside the rug itself. Like, that's literally what it feels like. Like, that's just how soft it is. We have the Shein stuff. Oh, I'm actually excited for this Shein haul. Can you guys actually guess what I got? Like, I am so boring. I'm literally boring. Like, yeah, boring. It's like I'm getting the same things all the time. We have these belts. I didn't think they'd be so thin. I'm so disappointed. I'm not happy. Coach replicas, guys. Excuse me. Oh, there's 3 of them. But there's 2. So it's these Coach replica belts. These are actually cute, but I don't know why I thought they'd be like bigger, because now they're so thin. I literally do not pack any small bags, so I am suffering through it. Every time we have to go for like date nights and stuff like that, I don't want to be carrying a big bag, so I was just like, let's get a nice cute bag. Oh, this is actually very cute. It's actually a very cute bag, and it has like this, I don't know what you call this. And it's actually very, guys, Shein is coming through. It's so thick. Like, the material is amazing. Ooh. Excuse me. What are you saying? What are you saying? Ah, I love this, guys. And it has like another compartment thingy here at the back. I guess you can put in like your phone or cards or anything like that. And then inside it has 2 separate compartments. Oh, this is actually very pretty. I love this. And I think I just mostly love the fact that it's like of good quality. I am obsessed. Oh, okay. This is nice. Oh, I love this. Like a nice jean, nice heels with my bag. Let us go for date night, guys. Let us go for date night. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This is very cute, guys. Like, and it's so like perfectly hanging. Like it's so perfect. Like hugs the tummy, hugs the boob area, has a nice detailing. Like, excuse me, can we just go exercise? Can we just go exercise, please? I am so happy. I like this. Oh, guys, like, can you see the colors? Like, I think my obsession with this is the colors. Like, I love the colors. Love the colors. Love the design pattern. Love how nice and thick the material is. Love the finger design again. Love the fact that it actually zips up. I think that's the reason why I actually got it. I was like, oh, we actually don't have one that big zip up, so this, love it. This is cute. Look for a cute date night. Nice heels, like it's giving old money. Oh, I'm obsessed. It's giving old money. Simple is key. Like, you have to see for yourselves. Hey guys, so I'm about to make lunch. So we kind of skipped breakfast. Well, I skipped breakfast, having had a smoothie, but today's lunch is going to be very weird. I'm going to, well, not weird, let me not use the word weird. I'm going to try something that I've never tried before. It's called Yule. So Yule is like your quick and easy to make meals from dried food. It's very high in protein while also providing a healthy balance of fat, carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins. So it's highly recommended, especially if you're trying to like lose weight, keep a balanced diet. And besides also just for weight loss purposes, it's also just for like convenience. And yeah, so basically it comes in like different flavors, but the ones we currently have is mac and cheese, spaghetti carbonara, Cajun pasta, as well as sweet and sour. So guys, I'm actually really excited to try it out. I don't know guys, I've never tried anything like this before. Dried food, like a dried up pasta that you just mix with water, stir, and it's an actual meal. I'm ready to try it. I just really hope that it tastes like what the flavor suggests. Like if it's sweet and sour, can it actually please just taste like sweet and sour? But yeah, I don't know what to think of it as yet. So just yeah, try it with me, guys.
Yeah, 30,000 feet up in the air. Miss your face, can't stop thinking about your hair. And your body and your voice, the way you walk too. I'm just thinking, I'm so lucky that I got you. Girl, yeah, you know I love your words. I just hate this distance and we both know that it hurts. Yeah, but I knew since the 23rd, you mean the most to me. You're my world, you're my earth. Yeah, just know that I'm your biggest fan. No describing how it feels when you say that I'm your man. Swear you're always on my mind, so girl, trust I got a plan. I'm doing all I can, so someday we'll have a fam. Look, cold.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven for a minute, and then after a minute take it out, stir, and then pop it back in the microwave again for another minute or two. So this is what the mac and cheese looks like. So this is done. We're just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and then we can enjoy. So we're done, waited for 5 minutes, and it's time to taste. So I don't know, I'm excited to taste, but I'm also just like, what is it gonna taste like? So I'm having the spaghetti carbonara. I don't know if it's gonna taste like carbonara, but I know that it smells really good though. So let's try. If we like it, we're doing it for the entire week. I'm not sure. It's not bad. I mean, I can eat it. It's not bad. I'm just gonna try the mac and cheese one. Right. It's okay.
Witness the greatness. Ready to witness the greatness.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie. I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time. I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time. Emotions running high. I wish you felt alright. Just hitting my line all the time. All the time. You stay on my mind all the time. All the time.
Oh, I love this.
Takes some finesse. I see you.
So nice.
He can't lose finesse. You stay on my mind. You and your sister too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I will make time for you.
Ooh, and outside.
In the distance, I'm new to all of this.
Oh,
Takes some
it is.
finesse. I see
The purple, you'd never think the purple would work, and then
you stay on my mind.
ooh, we need to do this little setup.
Stay on my mind. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You stay. On my mind, stay.
This is lovely. I don't like the setting, but I see what they were trying to do. They post nabantu banganama idea. Oh, this is cute.
So what can I say to you? Got to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know,
Ooh, babe.
I was always holding you down. You down.
Oh, this is beautiful. What are angels? Oh, cupboards. You see, this is the thing I'm talking about that we need in the toilet.
But pressure just keep adding. Then we just keep mad as fuck. We was living fast as fuck. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for. I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas
Be surprised. Oh, this is the kitty's room.
At what cost? Hit Mercedes by some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
What's this? Oh, the bathroom. And the mirror, excuse me. I'm in love. No, it's stunning. We need this also. That's what I wanted from IKEA, babe. Oh, Yini. Yini, babe.
What's that?
Old school, it's giving vintage. I love it. Not obsessed, but I love it.
You're not obsessed.
No. It's a nice design though. It's really awesome. Okay. Nice. Oh, I love smelling candles. This is nice and simple. Oh, I'm in love.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You was forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. Find a way to keep me here. Make me think you through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, baby, and I'll be there.
Baby.
might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I'll leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic in my bed like you did it.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into life.
Whenever people ask me what I like best about my life or what I'm thankful for, I always think of you. You are my peace. You are my home. This love with you is surreal.
On the water of you close to me.
So, this is the real stuff, guys. Guys, let me tell you, Sana. What we have here is the good, right? So it's a spaghetti carbonara. Have you been to Venice before?
I have.
In Italy, yeah? This is how they make it, right? Let me tell you how you make this meal real quick. So you've got I pacchetta, which is bacon to the uninitiated. And then you have your spaghetti first. You've got your pacchetta. You roast it in butter, and then you also need to kind of make it garlic infused. You know,
Okay.
garlic infused. That's how the originals make it. So once you've done that, you fry the pacchetta, and then you boil obviously the spaghetti, and then you mix the spaghetti with the pacchetta, and then you add cheese. So we are going with a parmesan as well as a cheddar. Mix it all together. You put a little bit of egg in the end, and it comes out French kiss. Sorry, chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss.
I only know French kisses. So there you go.
Hi guys, it is a few days later. Don't know exactly how many days later, but what I do know that we are still in the same week because it's a weekly vlog I need. So anyways, it's a Saturday today and we are going out. We are going to the famous IKEA, guys. I am so excited. Like, I'm so excited to see this famous IKEA place. Like, I've always known about it from other YouTubers, especially like your DIY girlies. Like, every time they need to do something like furniture wise or, you know, like decorative ornaments and all that stuff, they would always get it from IKEA. We'll just go there. My hand is so tired, this tripod. So yeah guys, let's go. And then after, where are we going after? And then after we're gonna go to Evelyn's. I don't know if it's called Evelyn's restaurant or Evelyn's place or what is it, but we're gonna go to Evelyn's and then we're gonna have lunch there. And yeah, basically just call it a day. Where else are we going? Yeah, we're going to IKEA and then go to Evelyn's. Oh, and then I'm gonna attempt to do my hair, guys, because Sega better footy. Sega better. I'm gonna attempt to do my own hair. I've done my own hair before, e-pond, or like the simple basic hairstyles that you could do. So I'm gonna try get hairpiece from the city center. I saw this other place. It looks like they sell like African hair products, so I think they might just have a hairpiece or anything like that. My hubby's waiting for me outside. We made it.
What king have we made? What king have we made? Big as a giant.
my king.
My king and we made it, my king and we made it. Pegasus Jan, run we totally famous. Hogan the great, the jiggling gun.
So guys, we finally made it to IKEA, and oh my god guys, shopping here was truly an amazing experience, and I actually feel like I didn't get the full experience, so I am definitely planning on going back. This place is huge guys. I think it had about 3 to 4 floors, and one thing I enjoyed about shopping here was the showrooms. Like, they give you ideas of how to decorate your space. It can be the kitchen, your bedroom, your lounge, like literally every space you have in your house. They will give you ideas on how to decorate it. And what I love is the fact that everything that they have in the showrooms are things that they have in store, so you just have to take note of the code of the product that you like so that you can buy it later. And what I also enjoyed was the fact that this place had a restaurant guys, and it was also big. It's huge. So if you're done shopping, you can just relax, have lunch with your hubby or your family, and yeah, then you can call it a day. And remember when I said take note of the code? So this is where it comes in. So this is like a self-service for delivery options. So if you want the stuff delivered in your house, then you can use this service, and if you still remember the codes, then it's easier to just punch it in and then go with that option and have your stuff delivered at home. But we ended up not using this service and got this and bought the stuff on the day.
Anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when you do, they try to do I'm I can't come and see myself. Plenty, so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing.
And remember I told you that we were going to make a stop at IKEA, so we did go and we did get a few stuff. So I quickly want to show you guys what we got, and there's just one particular item that I am so excited about, and I'm actually going to set it up right now. I think I should, so you guys can just see how cute this looks. But anyways, before I even start rambling, let me just show you guys what I got. I should probably bring you guys close. Okay, so firstly guys, we got this plastic chopping board. We already have a wooden one as well as a ceramic one, but for everyday use, guys, I generally just prefer this plastic one. Then we got these cute salad bowls. I think they can also be used as pasta bowls. I don't know, they're just very cute. I actually thought they were plastic when I initially saw them. They're so nice and so deep. I'm actually going to use them for our meal today. We got some wine glasses. This is what they look like. It's white wine glasses. I don't know, I like these. I like just the way they shaped. It's not like your typical shape, guys. You know that boring shape? It's not. I like this. And also they're just so deep, so I can pour in as much wine as I like. Drum roll, please. So we also got this water jar. How cute is this, guys? We got this water jar. It also comes with a stand, so it's easy for you to pour whatever you would want to be pouring. I am so excited for this. I think this we're going to use it for our everyday water. I'm just going to be changing like the water that we have in the jar. So sometimes we'll have cucumber infused water or strawberry infused water, lemon water. I am so excited, guys. I love this. So yes, guys, that is all that we got from IKEA. I'm actually really so excited for this water jar. I literally can't wait to have our cucumber infused water, and the next day we have something, the next day we have something. Like, guys, I am so excited. It's literally also going to be motivating me to just get up in the morning so I can change our water. But anyways, guys, that is all on today's episode. Hope you guys really enjoyed it, and yeah, let's actually dish up and close off the vlog.